Welcome to All Hands Beach Resort here in Subic Bay. And so we're here for our swim and run Sunday. Welcome L-Dry team! Hey! Mag-run, ilang kilometers tayo? 10. For 10 kilometer run, you guys. Ayan. Woo! Hingal pa. Guys, so we are actually around 4 kilometers na siguro. So it's an uphill slope. So it's been a long time since we get back on the road and run as a team. So ayaw muna namin biglayin yung mga katawan namin kasi taba-ching-ching na eh. Kailangan dahan-dahan para hindi mabigla yung energy nyo. Okay? Yan. Daming bats oh. This is good about running with nature. Woo! Daming bats guys oh. You can see. Amazing. Imagine ganyan kadami yung bats na sasalubong sa'yo. Tapos na yung 10 kilometer run namin.
Ito ako makain o. Hindi naman nag-10.
Hab-hab na. 10 kilometer, yan. 10 kilometer din yan.
Same naman.
Social distancing.
Social studies. Sociology. Bottoms up. Alam ko dito.
Cheers. Ayan, pauwi na kami guys. After a 10 kilometer run, and how many kilometer bike ba yun? Basta, nag-enjoy yung lahat. Another friend of mine, Melody.
Ba't hindi sumama yung
Jackie.
Thank you Lord for the safe ride, safe trip.
Safe trip. Safe trip lahat. See you guys. Babush!